What to tweet? Tips and tricks to help you tweet better. Everyone knows good content yields great results. But what makes one tweet outperform the next? We compiled years of internal research to identify core, top-performing strategies that work well across the board. Incorporate these tips into your Twitter strategy to spark conversation and keep your audience engaged. Don't forget to add your own spin and test a variety to learn what resonates best with your specific audience. Remember that digital advertising is extremely fluid, so the best content strategy is one that is also constantly changing and improving. Keep it short. Tweets can contain up to 280 characters, but being concise is in Twitter's DNA and it's good for marketing. Aim to keep every tweet focused on one specific message, rather than trying to communicate multiple ideas. If you have more to say, start a tweet thread. Add visuals, especially video. Bold images, GIFs, and videos add a touch of personality and increase results. Twitter internal data revealed there's over 2 billion video views per day on the platform. For effective, memorable videos, remember to include your company's logo, add subtitles so people don't need headphones, and keep the video short. 6 to 15 seconds is the sweet spot. Ask questions and run polls. Twitter is all about conversation. Asking questions is an effective way to interact with your audience, show your brand's personality, and gather feedback. Get feedback on new products, ask a playful question, or have your followers be the tiebreaker on a decision. Tweet your launches. Twitter is the best platform for brands to launch something new. And it doesn't have to be as big as a new brand or product. Launching a seasonal promotion, sale, or event? How about a new partnership? Broadcast it on your timeline. Break your news on Twitter. Make clear calls to action. Every time you tweet, ask yourself, what do I want people to do when they see this? And then write it out. Tell your audience to comment below, or to follow you, or to sign up today. If there's something urgent, emphasize it. Don't be shy and always make the next steps clear. Curate and connect with retweets and replies. Retweeting relevant content and replying to tweets are great ways to maintain a robust Twitter presence. Retweet positive customer feedback, helpful articles, and ideas that align with your business's authentic voice. Be responsive to mentions and switch to direct messages to resolve complex issues. Incorporate timely and relevant hashtags. Hashtags allow you to expand your reach and tap into relevant conversations. Focus on keywords that are relevant to your business and stick to 1 or 2 hashtags per tweet. Track daily trends on the Explore tab to identify popular topics you can tie your brand to in an authentic way. Test your voice. Twitter is the place to be bold for audiences and businesses alike. Evolve your voice on Twitter by testing your creativity and taking a few risks. Add an emoji or a touch of sass or silliness, and let the engagement be your guide.